The line technique is one of 4 basic royal icing decorating techniques every beginner should know, and it's what we're going to cover in this video today. You're going to start by laying a base. I'm doing a base white here with just a 15 to 20 second consistency icing. We're going to be using a wet on wet technique here. And what that means is you're using the same icing consistency so that everything kind of flows and settles together. It also allows you to have a really good settle base. And so I'm just evening out my entire base, and I'm going to come in with one of my green colors, and I'm just going to do a straight line across the top. It seems incredibly simple, but you'll find when you do this technique that it can take a little bit of practice to get the pressure right. And this is why it's easier to have smaller bags of icing when you're doing lines so that you can get the right pressure. You'll see I need some practice here. I have a little bit too much pressure at the start so that I get a little bit of a blob and then I get a straight line. Now my colors, it changes a little bit whether I have a good line or not because the consistency is slightly different. So I just alternated originally between my 2 dark green colors, and then I'm coming in with my light green going horizontal or perpendicular to my original colors. And then lastly, I'm going to do a dark green in between each of those light green stripes to make a plaid line cookie. And finish that off, recommend swiping off the cookie and moving it to your rack.